Hey you guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa of Lisa & Co. Join us as we start this YouTube adventure. We're setting up the studio. You'll see huge changes in that over the next few videos. And today we're doing a 2-tiered tray. So if you enjoy this video, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notification so you know every time we upload a new video. Alrighty, let's jump right in and check out these materials. I have 2 black and white plates from Dollar Tree. Anyone who knows me knows how much I love black and white. I've got one of these different style of candlesticks and I took the label off the bottom. This one is full of wax, but I'm going to run it through some boiling water. I picked it up at the Restore, as well as this little plastic knob because I wanted to fill that hole. Watch and see what we do with it. I'm going to stack these up just to give you an idea of what this is going to look like when we're finished. Then I'm going to wash them out in hot and soapy water and make sure that they've got all the residue off them before we spray paint these guys, and then we start putting it together. We're outside and we have everything ready to spray paint. I picked up this Krylon at our Michaels, of course with a 40% off coupon. I couldn't decide whether I wanted to use a matte black or a gloss black, so I went with this one instead, and it has a slightly metallic finish. Always a good idea when you're spray painting to do 2 or 3 thin coats, especially when you're on a surface like glass where you want to make sure it's going to stick really well. Okay, I did 2 thin coats. It did a beautiful job. I've left it to dry overnight just to make sure it's in good shape. And now the fun part, I finally get to put it all together and see just how good this looks. I am using, of course, my trusty E6000, and you need so little of this glue to make sure it all goes together. Remember how I told you that little kitchen knob was just to make sure that we were filling the top of that candlestick? I think it worked out exactly like I thought it would. I realized after this that I did it a little bit backwards, and I probably should have stacked the plates before putting this one on top. The important thing is it worked out, and I'm really pleased with the way it came out. This plate was fantastic for having to place this on. Because of the pattern, I could see exactly where the center was. Okay, now this baby. Up, down, top, bottom. I really couldn't decide. I ended up going this way because I thought it would give the top plate more stability by having that much bigger surface to stick to. I will let you know just how well this worked out in future. You're gonna have a good laugh in a sec. Remember how I told you these plates made it way easier to get everything centered just because of the way the pattern worked? Watch Crazy Town. Oh, that's nice and centered, isn't it? Mm-hmm, yep. Oh, not so much. There we go. Or not. I feel like we'll get this eventually. And done. So satisfying to do a quick and easy project. I know I have pumpkins on it, but I couldn't resist. I hit the Dollar Tree the other day and they had these really cute little pumpkins, and aren't they perfect? I've done a little math and I figure the 2 plates, the 2 candlesticks, and the little cabinet knob on top cost me about $4.75. I don't think you could beat that DIY. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up for me, and don't forget to keep checking back for more videos. See you next time.